Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing colour balancing in an image. For this you're going to need to choose your own image. I suggest one with a lot of colour and a lot of highlights and shadows within the image. You need one with good quality, not the best, doesn't need to be the best, just download it off the internet and use it if you are going to follow along this tutorial. But that's it for now, let's get straight into it. So first you've got your image, you're going to want to unlock it from the background and then you're going to want to go down to here to the adjustment sphere and then go up all the way to colour balance and click that and you're going to be presented with this menu. Once you have this menu you've got a selection of shadows, midtones and highlights. These are all things we're going to play around with to make this image better. So as you can see in my image I've got a lot of blues and yellows at the top. The blues I'm going to increase in the midtones just to give it an overall feel of blue and make it look a bit more together instead of being broken up by the yellow. So if I increase this, as you can see, the blues get a lot stronger overall in the image. By doing this, I've made it more complete and more together. I'm going to increase the pinks a little bit, makes it a bit darker, because there's less green now, so more pinks on the shadows, even though we haven't selected shadows yet. And then if I increase the yellow, you can see it brings back this yellow, but if I decrease it and increase the blue, the whole image gets a bit darker. The body gets darker, and the overall shadows become a bit more prominent. That's it for the midtones. We're going to go to the shadows now. So as I said, if you increase the dark blues it gets darker, so if I do that, look, it gets really dark, can't really see anything, not great. Maybe if I increase the yellows it gets a bit more warmer, a bit more of a nice feeling, right? A bit more of a heartful feeling. If I increase the greens it goes a bit green. If I increase the magentas you get a little bit of pink, a little bit darker though. If I increase the blues it brings it back up. If I bring in the red it brings it back down. So I'm going to go to highlights now and I'm going to increase the blue highlights. By doing this I've created a nice blue leading into the yellow. Increase the pinks or decrease them, that gets a bit pale, not too nice. Increase the pinks, creates a bit more warmth feeling. Maybe increase the reds as well or decrease them. Either one works. With this one you get a nicer blue connection, but with this one you get a bit more of a warm feeling. I'm going to go for the blue, maybe just like that. By doing that we have created a better image. As you can see that's what we started out with and then we moved to that. A bit more of an emotional effect and quite a quick and easy way of being able to manipulate an image and creating lots of variants for your projects and for whatever you need it for, or just for a general touch-up on your images. You might not have got the colours correct on your camera, so you need to edit them a little bit. By doing this, it's such an easy way of manipulating your image that it takes about 5 minutes and you're done. That's all I have to show you for this video. It's just a quick one on the colour balance. Once again, down to the adjustment sphere and then there in the menu. But I think we made a pretty good edit there. It gets a lot darker, a lot more intense feeling, which is what you need from a musician like this, Post Malone. Depending on what the image you're working with, you might want a nice heartful feeling, like a light and happy mood. But if this is a bit more dark and grungy, it looks a bit more intense, which is what you're going for. But that's all I have for you now. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.